5 hidden Android settings you should turn on now. Hi, welcome to Light Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how your Android phone has hidden settings that can make it faster and safer and easy to use. Let me show you 5 you should know right now. So the first is enable developers option. It speeds up your phone than you expect. In order to do that, what you have to do is to click on my phone. So right here, you scroll gently, click on the build option here, build number option, click on it 7 times. When you click on it 7 times, you just have to go back to your phone settings, click on the system option here. You're going to see that your developers option has been turned on. That way, your phone is going to have high speed this time and work faster and easier for you. The second step you can take is to turn on the Find My Device. This helps you to locate your phone if you lost your phone. So when you open your phone settings this way, tap on security, password and security. Next thing you have to do is to click on Find App. Sometimes you'll see Find My Device. You just click on any of them. So make sure that you turn on this toggle that says allow device to be located. Make sure you turn it on this way. When you do that, you can track your phone using your Google account. The third step you can take to look for your phone is to enable app permission manager. This shows which app are using your camera or microphone. So to do that, you have to go to your phone settings, tap on your privacy option. So right here, all you have to do is to open your permission manager. So you just have to turn off permission you don't trust. Just turn on all the permission you don't trust from this section. The next step you can take, which is the fourth step, is the first step you have to take is to turn on your data saver. This saves your mobile data. Just open your phone settings, click on network settings, click on data and security, click on data settings and data usage. So right here you click on data saver. So you just turn on this toggle here. So the way you turn it on now, this will actually stop apps from using your data in the background. The next step you can take in order to manage your phone very well is so right here, the fifth step you have to take is to enable smart lock. This keep your phone unlocked in safe places. So you open your phone settings, then click on your password and security. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the advanced option here. You're going to see smart lock. Just click on it. So you have to enter your screen lock password, and when you do that, you just click on this option here, confirm it, and then it's going to lock. So you just confirm. You see, I've been able to enable my smart lock on my device. So this will help to keep my phone on lock in safe places. So guys, I hope with this guide you have been able to learn about the 5 hidden settings you should turn on your smartphone or Android. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.